some time, but yeah, it's time for a new tutorial, and this time I'm doing a sniper mask. I start as usual with a hand-drawn sketch to use as a pattern. I transfer the pattern to the material which I will make the mask of. This time foam. I keep it folded with tape to give it a curved shape, and then I sand it to make the mask have more pleasant surface. I love to sand, but the dust left by the phone is horrible. I made the straps with which the mask will stay in position, following the original design of the character. In the series, we can see that the mask is held with 5 different straps, so that I made 5 different straps. Yeah, so many straps. I use white glue to make the surface more smooth and pleasant to paint. It also adds shine. Time to paint the mask with acrylic paint to maintain the flexibility of the font. Never use water-based paint. No, or spray paint. That will crack. To hide my eyes, I use semi-transparent black cloth. It's scary from within, but cool from the outside. To make the sniper, it was basically the same process as always. Sketch, divide in parts, transfer the pattern to foam. For a long piece, I added an internal frame so that it will not bend. Put the pieces together to build the structure of the weapon. And now sand. Sanding. Appreciate the sanding. Yes, I use a PVC tube for the gun's mouthpiece, and an old pencil for the small tube. I decorated it with fun, sanded, and with all the details. I'll use a base black paint and then add the silver paint. That's all the parts of the full cosplay: hat, suit, and tie. And that will be all. Thanks for watching. Bye. This was a short video. I miss this.